Today, I want to talk a bit more about the Millionaire Mindset Trading Group. Now, a lot of people have already joined us. We've got over 300 members, and I know a lot more of you are thinking about joining too. Now, don't worry, I do have my regularly scheduled AMC video coming out later tonight, but I wanted to make this video to explain what the MMTG actually is, what you can find inside the group, and how the group can help you make tons more money. So in this video, I want to go through the different chats in the Discord, and I want to go through the website to explain what you can find in the Millionaire Mindset Trading Group and how to use that to your advantage. So you can see in this first welcome channel, I explain how you can activate mobile alerts for Discord to ensure that you get a phone notification every time I post a buy or a sell alert, or any of the other analysts in the group post their alerts too. I've also got a video that explains exactly what I'm looking for when taking a trade, and I also explain the different rooms in the group and how they can best fit your strategy or your work-life balance. For example, if you're super busy during a 9-to-5 job, maybe the longer term trades or ADX's swing trades would be much better for you. Trades that typically last between 2 days and 2 weeks. But if you work from home or you're more flexible, maybe the fast-moving stock alerts, the fast-moving options, or MN investings alerts may be better suited to you. Now, so last month, ADX took 33 trades. 31 of those were winning trades and 2 were losing trades, giving him a win-loss ratio of 93%. You can see through December I took 42 trades, I had 2 losing trades and 40 winning trades, giving me a win-loss ratio of around 95%. MN has been fairly new to the group, but I also believe his win-loss ratio over the last few months is 90+% as well. So this way, inside the Millionaire Mindset Trading Group, we have strategies to suit all people. We have those fast-moving strategies and those trades that take longer to play out, which is better if you do have an intensive full-time job. Now, I've also got a rules section here which will help you to minimize losses and maximize your profits. Some rules like don't force a trade may sound obvious, but they can really save your skin when investing and when trading. Going through some of my longer term trades, yesterday I took a longer term trade on Google, which was already up 40% as of this morning. The day before that, I took AMD, which was up over 70%. You can see from these messages I send out alerts when I'm taking a trade and when I'm closing a trade or selling off a position, and also give regular alerts and updates throughout the day when those options are up 10%, 20%, 40%, and so on. We've also got faster moving intraday options trades, like today we took a call option on the S&P 500 and came out with 23% profits. Again, I also send regular messages inside the group as to what I'm seeing in the market and what kind of trades I'm thinking about taking and when I'm thinking about taking them. As a prime example, ADX does the exact same thing, taking a UPS trade yesterday, which so far today was up 78.57%. And again, MN also takes those intraday trades like Pfizer, which he traded yesterday at the market open, which ran up at its peak over 41.85%. For the fast-moving trades, yesterday we had Nexi, which ran over 100%, but we also had SNTG, which ran a smaller 10%, which wasn't too bad, and profits are always profits. Again, a few days ago, we also traded Nexi a few times, getting in and out here for 10%, and a little bit later in the day, getting in and out for another 10% on top of that. If you prefer to go it alone, I also have automated trade alerts for the S&P 500, for Tesla, and for Nvidia, based on the 1348 moving average. Now, on top of that, I don't just do alerts for my buys and sells, I also have tons and tons of educational videos, which I add to at least once or twice a week. These educational videos will teach you things like technical analysis, how to find support and resistance levels, how to get into a trade, how to get out of a trade and maximize your profits. It will teach you about options trading, it will teach you about indicators and everything in between. Now, on top of that, I also have a Watchlist Scanner which updates every 3 minutes. This scans the market and filters the market for those stocks that are running up fast. Those stocks that have a fairly small market capitalization, those stocks that have a fairly small flow, and those stocks that are running often with news. This inbuilt scanning program costs about $150 per month on its own. So you can see for the fairly small monthly membership cost, you get tons and tons of benefits. Again, there's also an area to share profits and explain which kind of trades you've taken during the day and which kind of trades were your most profitable trades. Even this area alone is a great place to learn which kind of trades are the best trades to take. As I showed you yesterday, for example, Van made 62% profit on a Nexi trade, and also we had tons of people profiting on that AMD call option. Again, of course, there's also a place to discuss AMC and GameStop, there's a place to discuss crypto, and there's places for pretty much anything you want to talk about. Now, what sets my group or my Discord apart from the others is the fact that I'm in this Discord pretty much 24/7, also answering questions, as well as giving those trade alerts. I don't just invite people in and ignore them, never answering their questions. I try and answer every single question that's asked at whatever time of day. That's why none of these chats, other than just now in the trading floor chat, there's new messages, because I'm always in the group clearing through those new messages and answering all questions given. The reason why is because I really want to make the Millionaire Mindset Trading Group not just a place to trade in, but also a community of friends. This way we can talk to each other, we can help each other out, we can give each other guidance and answer any kind of questions. So guys, I hope that answers some of your questions about the Millionaire Mindset Trading Group. Obviously, if you do have any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below, but you can also email me directly through the Millionaire Mindset Trading Group website, which obviously is also linked down in the description below. And as always guys, be sure to ding that notification bell, because that way you'll be alerted when I upload a new video. Cheers.